Can you talk on YouTube?
I can talk. I usually talk on YouTube.
No, when you're in the house.
On my own? No. Why would I talk on my own?
On. Hi guys, me MC Gerald here. Today I am with MC Lewis behind the camera.
That's me.
Yep.
Go on.
And today I'm going to show how to make my own Christmas decorations.
Good man. Good man. Yes. So what's the first part?
Oh, I forgot.
Yes. What you forget?
Sorry. Hi guys, me MC Gerald. Today I'm with MC Lewis behind the camera.
You did say that.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Short memory problems.
Wait.
Okay, so what's the first thing you're gonna do?
Gluing.
So, can you tell what's this?
Glue.
Oh. No. There. Yeah. Come on. That's it. A bit of glue. Yeah, that's perfect. Too much glue. It's okay. We'll clean that up. So, what's the name of this decoration? What's the name of this decoration?
Christmas magic doors.
Christmas magic doors. Excellent. So this is going to be a door at the end. Yeah. So we're going to show the whole process. Yeah. So, what are these sticks?
Sticks.
What are those sticks?
Lollipop.
Lollipop sticks.
Lollipop sticks.
Come on.
Like, see, it's not having lollipop sticks. So.
Yeah. So we're going to use them to make your doors.
So, yeah.
Come on.
To make some more Christmas decorations for more people.
Yeah.
In the country, in internet.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Cool.
No, the people in internet. The people around me in internet.
Come on.
Around me on internet.
Mm-hmm. Good.
And Gerald, you want it.
Now, a little bit more glue. So Grandad built this workstation so he knows exactly where things go to. So this line...
I'm on YouTube.
Huh?
I'm on YouTube.
Yeah. So that line is to help Gerald get the glue exactly on the right place. Perfect. That was a really good one, Gerald. That was really good.
Very good. That is.
That's it. Excellent. Fantastic. So the little bit of glues we always remove when it's all done. We'll do that at the end, isn't it, Gerald?
Yeah, okay.
Come on. So that was the first part.
Yep.
We're going to come back for part
2. Hi guys, this is part 2.
Part 2. Hey, what are you going to do now? Part 2.
Today we're going to do the handle.
You're going to do the handle?
Wait, hold on.
Excellent. Yeah.
Hello?
That looks perfect.
Hello, Mum?
It's not a magic door yet. Here. It's only Christmas.
What?
Someone answers. I know you're knocking on the door, but there's no answer yet. Okay, go on, mister.
Okay, so what did I put? I don't know where I put it.
Sorry, I'm just going to put it. There you go. That's where you do it. Perfect. Yeah.
There we go.
Now the little button will be the handle. Isn't it? So there's a little bit of glue. It's okay. There you go. Perfection. See? God, this glue is so good. It's already done. Good man. You happy with your work so far?
Yeah.
Good man. So we go now for part
3. Hi, it's part 3.
Come on. So part 3, what's going to happen? What you going to do on the door? What you going to put on the door?
We're going to glue.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah. What you going to put there? Garland?
Garland.
That's the name, Garland.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah.
Boom. Right.
Yeah.
And get bit of this.
Yeah, that's the garden we made. Yeah,
Right here.
go on before the
Right
glue
here.
before the glue gets
Yeah.
hard. Yeah, that's it, gentle. Come on.
1, 2.
And we'll adjust it. It's excellent. Come on, that's good. Doing great so far, Gerald. Yeah,
Yes.
proud of you. Proud of your work.
Hmm?
Proud of your work.
Hmm?
Proud. Are you proud?
Proud, yeah.
Yeah. And we're gonna go now for part
4. Hi, it's part 4.
Good. And what you gonna do now on part 4? Hmm? What you gonna do on part 4?
Part 4. Today
Yeah.
we're gonna glue
Yeah.
right here to
So put it-
there.
So what's that?
Oh God, no.
It's okay. Okay, so put it go there. Yeah, come on. Right in the middle. Yeah, perfect.
Oh God.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Okay.
And yeah.
And
Now press down a
God.
little bit. Yeah. So it gets
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It's perfect. That looks so good.
Yep.
Yeah.
Boom.
Almost there.
Boom.
Right?
Boom.
Boom. Boom at the end when
Okay.
it's made.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna go to the final part, which is part
5.
excellent.
Hi, it's part 5.
Part 5. Cool. The last part of your decoration. Yeah. Go on. Getting really good at this. Excellent. That's really good. Yeah. Now press and hold. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 5 seconds is enough. It's fantastic.
No, the pencil.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Okay. Do you want to show what you did?
Yep.
Yeah, go on.
So here we go. This is my Christmas decoration.
Yeah.
And you can get a Christmas decoration,
Mhm.
and you can get a one, and you can get
Yeah.
you can get 1 year pay video and get yourself a Coke.
I don't know
So,
where he came
yeah.
up with that idea, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now to finish up, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to show the rest of what are the colors we have?
Yes, we
the mix?
got yellow,
Yeah.
we got orange,
Orange.
we got red,
Yeah.
and we got green,
Yeah.
and we got blue.
Fantastic. Now, do you want to?
Oh wait, hold on.
Yeah.
By the way, we got a thank you
Oh,
card.
that comes
too.
with a thank you card. Absolutely. Just to remind everyone that
it's just our dear.
we're going to give €1 for
Yep.
every purchase to
Yes.
Down Syndrome Ireland this
Yes.
year.
And
Yeah.
don't forget, and you can get 1 year pay video and get a Coke. So yes, for this.
Yeah.
And, yes, and say what you say.
No, yeah, dude, fantastic.
Oh, okay.
So more news about it, and actually,
Oh yeah.
if you watch until now, do you want to ask them to type which color they prefer?
Type.
Yeah, to type on the comments.
Type.
Type in the comments which color they like the most. You think that's a good idea?
You can type every color that you have: yellow or orange or red or green or blue
Mm-hmm.
or purple.
Or purple. Yeah.
So yes.
So yeah. So do you want to say goodbye?
So yes, and please don't forget, follow me in TikTok, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Spotify, PS4,
Twitch.
and follow me on Twitch on live, and please don't forget to support me in Storyfire. And yes, and this is the description below. It's called on the description below on YouTube. It's called My First Tattoo.
Yeah.
So you can watch it. So yes, And please don't forget, subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MC Gerald.